So today, we worked on axle turns, open breaks, and outside turns, right? And how's your voice?
Fantastic.
Exactly. Okay, so let's do axle turns together. So we're gonna face that way. Remember, axle turns is a side step. It's not a diagonal back step. Okay, so if we wanna do a full axle turn or a prep turn, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Yes? Then we do it to the right. 5, 6, 7. Okay? Again, we go axle turn to the left. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's how you do an axle turn. Yes? It's in the same spot, not moving. Okay? You have to hold the 4 or the 8. 1, 2, 3, or 5, 6, 7. Okay? So we start with the crossbody. Basic. 1, 5, crossbody, and open break. Open break is when the leads go back with the left, turning the follow, preparing, 3, so we holding, and then 5, 6, 7. Yes? If we do it this way, basic, 5, crossbody, 1, open break, 1, as they turn, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Yes? For this axle turn, we need to have something called slingshot. 3. So we go 1, 2, 3. So again, 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's the effect after the axle turn. See or see? So basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes?